Let me show you how the Activepresenter works. To record your video, select this. You have three options. You can turn on your webcam if you want to show yourself. Then you can turn on your audio and you can select the recording area as full screen or custom. I select the custom. Then it will show you a box like this. You can change the recording area if you want. And right now I'm going to choose this much area. Okay. Now start recording. Okay, right now it's recording the video. So for the demonstration purpose, I'm using a calculator. Let me do some math, like say 45 plus 65. So you will get 110. To end the recording, use Control plus End. Then automatically the video will show up and you can edit the video right now. You can enhance your video by inserting some shapes and messages. So you can insert a shape from the insert option, double click, and you can adjust the size of the shape and double click on it so you can type a message. Demonstration begins here, and you can adjust the time of the shape. I will adjust to it for the first 5 minutes, sorry, 5 seconds. And sometimes you want to zoom in and zoom out your video. So let me zoom in. To zoom in to a specific frame, you can use the option zoom in pan from the insert option. You will get a box like this. You can select the area you want. Now you can play. When you want to zoom out, I would like to zoom out it after the 20th second. So again click the zoom in pan, select the complete area, and save it. Okay. If you look how it works, you can use a preview. As you can see, it shows here for the first 5 seconds. Right now, it will zoom in. At the 20th second, that will zoom out. Okay. And you have to save your file, and you can also choose your path from here, adjust your path from here. So I said demonstration. You will get an extension by default .ap project and save it. Okay, let me show you how we can install Activepresenter. Go to their website called Atom iSystems. Select download and select Activepresenter. It's available for both Windows and Mac operating system, and also available for 64-bit operating system as well as 32-bit operating system. It's better to download the new version of the Activepresenter. It's 8.2. You need to have more features so that you can edit your videos. To install the Activepresenter, you can download the new version. After save the executable file, you can run it and you can start using the Activepresenter. If you have any doubts, then you can comment below.